And for day 8 of the 2023 LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar, we have a B1 Battle Droid. In the final years of the Republic, the outer rim world of Geonosis emerged as a key manufacturing planet, earning a reputation for skillful design and efficient manufacturing. The gigantic underground factories were cut off from the surface and maintained by worker drones, mass-producing droids, weapons and vehicles to shadowy clients. They created the army of battle droids that the Trade Federation used to invade Naboo a decade before the Clone Wars. While attempting to free Obi-Wan Kenobi from his captors on Geonosis, C-3PO fell onto a conveyor belt and during the subsequent chaos had his head grafted onto a battle droid body, and vice versa. C-3PO's body was fitted with a B1's head. During the ensuing fight in the arena, both the B1 droid and C-3PO engaged in battle with various Jedi. The droid with 3PO's head fired on a lone Jedi, who deflected the blaster fire back at it, resulting in its decapitation. Following the battle, R2-D2 reattached C-3PO's head to his original body. Sadly, the B1 had no such luck and was lost forever.